If you turn on your water filter here and you start getting a flashing red light like this one, that means it's time to change the filter. So let's unscrew the top of this lid here by spinning to the left until it comes all the way off. Now we can take our lid and set that to the side, and then we'll remove the old filter by simply pulling up gently until it comes out. Now we can dispose of that old filter. Now let's open a new filter and remove it from the pack. Now with this piece right here pointing downwards, let's place that into our filter holder, and it may fit loosely or it may fit tightly. Either way, it's okay. We just need to screw on the top now. So we take the top and we screw that on until it's all the way tight. And now with carbon filters like these, we do want to flush the system before we actually drink the water out of it. So we're going to let the water run for 5 minutes on its own. You can see now it's green and it's starting to run on its own. Let's do that for 5 minutes and let that flush its system. And once your 5 minutes are done, then you can enjoy a glass of water.